Welcome to Ideals Board. On this video, you will learn how to open, read, and download your board book. To open the board book, go to Meetings in the left panel. Next, select a meeting. If the board book is marked as pending, this means it isn't ready for viewing. From here, you can open the board book to read it within the workspace, or download the board book to view offline. This is useful if you prefer to read on your own device or want to print a copy. The board book opens and contains a list of agenda items and tools to annotate the documents if required. You can view details on each item and hide them again for easier navigation of the board book. Clicking specific documents will open them in the viewer. Alternatively, just scroll through. To get a good overview or extract specific detail quickly, use our Ask AI feature, or download the specific file to view offline or on your preferred device. Now you know how to open, read, and download your board book.